Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch to Bitcoin only or disable Bitcoin only account on TREZOR Model T. If you only use Bitcoin on your wallet, then it's worth switching to Bitcoin only account. But if you want to use more than just Bitcoin, you may want to switch to the universal firmware. And to do it, you'll need to go to Settings, then Device. Now in firmware, you'll find Type. You can see my current firmware type is universal, so I can click on Switch to Bitcoin only. I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna reset the whole device and I'll need to use the wallet backup phrase in order to restore the wallet. So I just don't want to do it now. But if you switch to Bitcoin only, then you can continue and it'll be done. Then later on you can also switch to universal back. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.